This is my basic setup for this is my animation table slash optical printer setup. Here I have a Bolex Rex 5 with an animation motor, and I built like a little mount. I mounted it to an old photo enlarger so I can raise or lower the camera. Below the camera here's a little shadow board. It helps shield reflections, and I also built an external shutter here that I can use for certain special effects. Here's my animation table. Cool thing about this is that if I unlock this here, you can rotate it, you get some cool effects with that. And then for the optical printer part, I have basically under the table I mounted a mirror at a 45-degree angle, and you know, this part of the this is glass under here, under this piece of paper, so I can rear project you know, reflected off the mirror from this analyzer projector. I have this loaded with some film. It's a 16mm film. I can also swap this out for a Super 8 projector. And let me turn this on. It's pretty loud. I don't know if you can still hear me, but so I'm turning the projector on. I'll turn off some of the lights. I'll slide this back into place under my table. So now you can still see my setup, and now you see projected onto my animation table a single frame of film. An analyzer projector allows you to advance the film one frame at a time. So with this remote control, which I don't know if you can see, with this remote control I can advance the film a frame at a time. So I'm advancing the film. So the cool thing about this is when you rear project, you can use this as a rhotoscope to trace the image and make your own animated cells. So, but normal for straight one-to-one optical printing or rephotographing or blowing up an image from Super 8 to 16, you would take a frame with the Bolex, you know, with my animation camera, and then advance a frame. It gets to be a little tedious, but you get some cool effects. So that's my basic setup. Use this camera stand with my lights, the animation table, the mirror, and the projector.